Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to show you guys a flip through of my Rooster Junk Journal that I made. And this is in a playlist, and this is episode 5. So I have a playlist I'll put down below for you guys so you can come check out the process of making this so you can make one yourself. And I do detailed how to do it all. And if you could, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. Okay, so let's do a little fun flip through here. So I tried to get it right into frame, so I'm gonna try not to move it out of frame here. But what I did on the front here is we got the whole collage happening, and it got some little buttons and some feathers that I glued on with some corrugated cardboard. And this is a fabric piece. I have panelings of different roosters, and I went ahead and I fussy cut it out and then just glued it down on top of some tea-dyed paper, some collage paper in the back with some paper bag back here, and then painted. We went ahead and painted the back part of it with some gesso and just some acrylic paints. I got some nice vintage lace here it was actually on a blouse I got at Goodwill, and I really like the top part of it, so I just cut this up and then glued that down. I got some glass beads throughout, some really neat glass beads, a little bulb pin. So yeah, so that's the front of it. And then this is the coolest part, is this cover is detachable. So you can just unsnap it here and unsnap it here, and there you go. And it comes off, and then that could be the front right here. But you could take this and carry it wherever you want. Have a little pouch back here to put your papers. A cute little snap. It snaps like that. A little snap pocket. And it's just, I love the sound. It's so crinkly and I love it. And just as easy, it will snap back on. So there we go. So that's the front of it. Definitely a chunky monkey. And I got some fun ephemera in here. You could see this is just definitely full. But there is room to grow. You could still have room here. And it's got nice handles that I used from the grocery bag, just the brown paper bag. And I have some handles on it, and I sewed them on, so it's definitely, you can hold this. And I weighed this, and it's 1 pound, 2.5 ounces. So, wow. So definitely, this is a journal. But yes, the handles will hold, because I got them sewn extra here and on the inside too. So, there we go. And let's go ahead and see. We got our front pocket here. This is a big pocket. You can put a lot of stuff in that one. So it just unsnaps there, comes open. And I want to make sure you guys are in frame. Make sure you can see everything. Okay, and I will try not to move it. So there we go. Okay. Let's get going. So I did some gesso and some acrylic paints here. And then you guys can also come watch the playlist, and it's detailed, so you guys can see how I did everything. And throughout, it's going to be avocado dyed, onion skin dyed, tea dyed, and some RIT dyed papers that I do, which is the RIT fabric dye. And I use it in my banner flags and my rainbow gift bags. They're made out of lycra, and they're stretchy, and they're little cute little rainbow gift bags. I have those in my Etsy shop too. So that's what I use my RIT dye for. And I have different colors. So I have that throughout on some pages and some fabrics. So let's get going here. So a fun little parchment paper bag here. And the links will be down below on how I made some of this stuff, and I'll let you know. Like the parchment paper, tea-dyed parchment paper, I'll have that link down below to show you guys, but this is just, all this stuff comes with it. Just some fun little papers, just some cute little things to play with. And I try to incorporate the fabrics throughout and try to tie it all in together. But this is some Tim Holtz, just some scrapbook paper and another variegated or corrugated with a little punch out, little corrugated cardboard. And then I just threw in some cute little tags. And this is so much fun. This is an envelope and some Tim Holtz on this one. And I thought this was fun. It goes with the snap theme. And it just unsnaps. And then snaps back on. I just thought that was fun to play with. So keep with the snapping. A little snap theme. Okay, and then some more Tim Holtz paper. A fun little pull out here. You could just do some journaling in. And this is some of the same paint that I used. I made a little thing for it. Okay, some journaling spots, some printouts, some fold outs, and this is another parchment paper bag, and I show you guys how to make the bag, and some tea dyed papers. And I'll put that link below too, how to do some tea dye paper and fabrics. And this is the RIT dye that I use, and I did some stenciling here. Okay. Fun belly band. Just a little journaling card. Some fabric, some hand stitching on the belly band. And this is the other side of the envelope. I thought that would be fun to play with. So there's definitely lots of hidden pockets and flips and all kinds of stuff. There's a little hidden pocket here. A little journaling spot. Like that. And a little rooster cut out with fabric. This little pocket with Tim Holtz and some dyed fabric, little chicken feet, a little rooster feet, little feet prints. Some journaling. This is just I thought that was so cool, this printout. It's like a neat, just old farm style home. And I just thought that was kind of really cool with some sewing around it and some, what did I do? It's texture paste here. So it's just the Ranger Distress Texture Paste. I did some stenciling with it. So this is a nice journal card. And some cluster that I used with some fabric from the journal. And then courage on it and some more journaling spot. With the, I used the same distressed texture paste. And I have a video on comparing this with some spackling, and you guys can come check it out and see how good everything works and do the experiment with me. It's kind of fun. I show you guys the different techniques and stuff. So I will post that link below, and this is right here. This is the spackling, I'm pretty sure. This is the spackling. And then I hand stitched here. And then another hand stitched little pocket. Some fun fabric on top. Tea dyed paper on this one. Another envelope pull out with some stitching. And this is the crackle. Here, I'll show you. So this is the Ranger crackle paste. And this is what I show you guys in the video too. But I did some parchment paper on the back with tea dyed parchment paper sewn on there. It's just peeking through. Okay. And some more stuff from the video, which is really neat. And it just feels so cool. So I just thought that would be fun to throw in with some parchment paper on the back. And you can kind of see the paper bag through it. So I think that's really neat. And it's really crinkly. I love it. So that's tucked in there. And another little bag with the journaling card. Oop. You can see through it. I love that. I think that's so cool. Okay. Jeez, I think we're still... Did we get to the second signature? Yeah, we're on the second signature. Okay, and this is part of the dyed. I did some evening blue RIT dye that I dyed the fabric. I did a little cluster and all that, and a little flip up with the tea bag here, and some fun stickers and journaling card thing you can journal on. It's a little flip here. Some more printouts. And this is just a cool little card. Like that. That's some RIT dye here. So I did this out of a paper bag. I made a cute little envelope with some die cuts that I did for my Cricut machine. Another flip out here. Some more journaling spots. And then some more fabric cutouts with some journaling spots here. And then the windmills are really cool. It's just really neat. And this actually is open in the middle, so however you guys want to do that. Okay. And this is a paper bag that I made. And it's in the series. I show you guys how I collaged the paper bag, and then all I did was just sew down on each side. I did that off camera, and then just glued it down. But this is a little journaling card, the pocket, and a really cool tree with a white picket fence. I just thought that was neat. And then up here, this is cool. This is the big pocket. I mean, you gotta love that. That's just so neat. It's just so much fun. Just the whole, I love collaging. I think it's really cool. And then some more journaling spots on the back. So as you can see, that's why this weighs so much. I have so much stuff in it. I couldn't stop putting things in it. So this is a tea bag up here with a paper clip in the middle of it. And I'll tell you guys what I did. I put it on here to remove, to have it removable. Had it on here, glued down the paper bag. So I glued the paper bag. So this is definitely not moving. So it's stuck on there now. But I thought it was so cool. I just went ahead and cut it to the paper clip so I didn't get any further. But you could just go like this and pop it out. And then like that. So it's just a cute little tea-dyed tea collage. I have a video I can put down below how to make these little tea bags with paper clip, hidden paper clip. A little collage here. So that's all you do. You just take it and go like that. And then you could just pop it back through like that. So there's that. And then I'll move this over because this is a cute little, I love the rooster. And you got a little vellum here. And then you just pop it out. And you got yourself a little spot here with all your fun little goodies, little ephemera. Like that. And then you just pop it closed. So I thought that was fun. Okay. And then just a little card here and some more corrugated cardboard that I painted and sewn. So this is just a neat little pocket and some cluster with a little feather on it and some tea-dyed paper. And last but not least, another little card in a fun, just out of a paper bag, little pocket with some sewing on it. And this is the back part of it. There's the back of it. So this is definitely a Chunky Monkey Rooster Journal. Chunky Rooster Journal. And then this just goes like this. And then you just snap it. And it ain't going nowhere. And you still got room to put some stuff in. And if you want more room, you could take out some of the ephemera and stuff and make more room in here to put your own things or however you want to do it. But this will be in my Etsy shop. I will get this in today. And I want to let you guys know I have a sale going. Spring sale for this weekend. And come check out my Etsy shop and get some stuff now while it's on sale. It'll be on sale till from Friday the 24th until Sunday the 26th. Okay, so that is my spring sale. So come check it out. So I hope you guys like this video, and I would love to see some thumbs up. It really helps me out. And I know that you guys would like it. And, oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys my little glass beads at the bottom. So you also got, in each signature, I did some really cool glass beads down here. So those are fun with some wire around it. Reminds me of like chicken wire. So I incorporated those in there. And like I was saying, if you guys please would comment down below. I would love to hear what your guys' favorite part is out of this, or if you love the journal. I'd love to hear. And if you guys just come check out my Etsy shop and just hit the heart and favor my shop, it helps me out so much. And you guys would see my next things when I post it. If you come favor it, you'll see what I put in my Etsy shop. And keep on crafting, guys.